Want to add fun effects to your TikTok videos? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to put effects on your TikTok posts. Now let's get started. To begin, record or upload a video on TikTok as usual. Then tap Effects. You'll see several effects appear in a menu at the bottom of your screen. There are visual filters, face effects, transitions, and split screen effects. Scroll through the menus to check out all the options. When you see one you want to add, tap it to apply it to your video. Adjust what portion of your video the effect will appear on by moving the ends of the pink overlay on your video timeline. If you're adding effects from the Visual tab, tap and hold on an effect to apply it to your video. You'll see your video timeline gradually change color. If you only want to apply the effect to part of the video, release the button when that part of the timeline has changed color. To apply it to your entire video, keep holding until your timeline has completely changed color. Tap the play button to preview your video with the effect. When you're finished adding effects, tap Save in the top right corner. Then you can continue posting your TikTok as you normally would. That's all it takes to add effects to TikTok videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.